Is my G profile combo microwave and oven that went out because of a burnt flame thermal fuse. Over here is the thermal fuse that I changed. This shows some of the scars from the problem I had. But the reason for this video is because I have a part here which I don't see on the electrical diagram. I don't know what it is, what's the name of it, or what's the function of it. It has 4 wires, as you can see, going to that part, and the top of it is made of some kind of aluminum mesh. It has 6 pins that pins into the wire there. I found this kind of rubber piece at the bottom of the microwave, and I don't know where it has to go now that I'm ready to reassemble. It has an indentation, a circular indentation here, and I think it might have to go like that, but I'm not sure. So I'm posting this video hoping that someone can advise me exactly what this part is and whether this piece of square rubber, hard rubber, has to go here or somewhere else on the microwave, because when I took the cover off I wasn't sure where this fell off from. So someone out there who might have a knowledge of this equipment, please post some comments and let me know. The model of this microwave is right here. It's PT970SM2SS, and the year it was built is 2008. So for your kind of comments and advice, thank you very much.